is finally the day that we are revealing our secret side hustle.
And it's a good one, folks. We've been working on this since April, and we're currently making between $4,000 and $6,000 a month passively with this side hustle. It's one of the easiest things we've ever discovered, and we can't wait to share it with you.
That's right. So we have made you a crash course detailing everything we know about this secret side hustle. But before we dive into that, let's tell them what it is.
Yes, I think the best way to tell you what it is to actually just show you. So let's pull up Amazon, shall we? Okay, so on Amazon, we have pulled up this beautiful Rowenta Perfect Steam Steamer. And if you look at this product, you see down here you have a carousel of pictures. You can see them here, but if you go, sometimes there's videos, and often it's a manufacturer video. But what's cool is if you look over here on the side, you have related videos. And if you scroll down, you see, oh, what's this one? Closer look.
Hey, that's me.
Click on it, and it's Sarah. And she has a little video here about the product.
It truly does it all, and it has a huge water tank, so it can last you a really long time. It's a little bit heavy, so I wouldn't call it portable, but
So as you can see here, Sarah is talking about the product, and down here below it says Jamie and Sarah earns commissions. So what that means is if someone watches our review video and then buys the product, we get a commission. So with this particular product, it ends up being around $6 or $7 every time someone buys the product after watching our video. That's how much commission we make.
What is so amazing about this side hustle is that all you really need is your cell phone to get started, and you can get started reviewing products that you already own in your home, things that are sold on Amazon. As you can see in that video we showed you, it doesn't have to be a super high production quality video. You're just basically telling people what you think of the product. So, and then anytime someone watches your video and buys that product, you get a commission. So any items that are in your home that are sold on Amazon, you can review.
So that's how we got started. We quickly reviewed everything in our home and have since scaled beyond that using items from pallets and auctions and other things. But we go through all that in our course. We show you how to get started. You do have to get accepted into the program. So that's kind of what we show you in the course. And our first month, we ended up making almost $1,500 from this program.
That was just getting started with a few items around our home. Right now, we have scaled to about $4,000 to $6,000 a month with around a little over 300 review videos on there. So if that gives you any kind of idea of the kind of money you could be making, I definitely think this is life-changing money. So
yeah, and it all depends on how motivated you are too, and how hard you're willing to work. But what is so amazing about it is that once you get the videos up, you continue to build on it. So it truly is a source of passive income.
So what is included in our crash course? We have about 67 minutes worth of video content that's split up into 7 videos explaining all the different parts of this side hustle. You will also have lifetime access to a private Facebook group where we will be talking strategy, technique, and just encouraging each other in this side hustle.
So if you are interested in setting up a passive stream of income using just your cell phone, this course is for you. You do need to have a basic knowledge of social media, as your social media is kind of how you get approved into the program. But this program has nothing to do with social media. You don't need a big following to get started in this. It's not like affiliate marketing or anything like that. It's a totally new ground floor opportunity. So after taking our crash course, you'll have all the tools you need to start making Amazon review videos and earning $1,000 plus per month in your spare time.
We truly believe that this opportunity is a game changer and can make a huge difference in your life and finances.
So if any of this interests you, sign up and we'll see you in the course. Listen, I will sit down there all day and make those videos. I'm not telling you guys are not going to see this on YouTube because I'm going to do it myself. I'm cleaning up, making the money. Sorry.
How many days a week do you get a new revelation for?
Not many lately. This is my new plan.
Cool AirPods.
Thanks. I'm going to be reviewing these probably in the next couple days. So